Why do over 60% of Lenovo laptop users face sudden black screen issues at least once? Don't worry, you're not alone. Here's how to fix it fast. First, unplug your laptop and remove any connected devices, like your mouse or USB drives. If your battery is removable, take it out. If not, look for a tiny pinhole on the bottom. This is the emergency reset. Use a straightened paperclip to gently press it. Now press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. This drains leftover power and can clear out glitches. Pop the battery back in, plug in the charger, and try turning it on. Still seeing a black screen? Connect your laptop to an external monitor. If you get a display, your laptop screen might be the issue. Or try pressing Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B to reset the graphics driver. If nothing works, double-check your charger and outlet, or look for the Lenovo button to access recovery mode. And remember, you're not alone. Sometimes calling in the pros is the best move.